You've probably heard this common saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice. Sounds like a fun fact, right? But here's the truth, it's completely wrong. Today, we're busting this myth with real science and mind-blowing facts that will change the way you think about lightning. People believe that once lightning hits a spot, it's safe from another strike. But this idea has no basis in science. In reality, lightning has no memory. It doesn't avoid places it has already struck. In fact, certain locations get hit over and over again. Lightning is an electrical discharge looking for the easiest way to reach the ground. But it doesn't pick spots randomly. Instead, it follows the path of least resistance, often targeting tall buildings, metal structures, and isolated objects. Skyscrapers, trees, radio towers, and even mountains get hit by lightning multiple times. The taller and more conductive an object is, the more likely it is to be struck. Let's take one of the most famous examples, the Empire State Building in New York City. Would you believe that this skyscraper is struck by lightning 20 to 25 times every year? Sometimes, it gets hit multiple times in a single storm. If lightning only struck once, this building wouldn't be standing today. And the Empire State Building isn't alone. Here are some other famous locations that get struck by lightning over and over. Willis Tower in Chicago, hit dozens of times each year. NASA's Kennedy Space Center, the launch pads are frequent lightning targets. Brazil's Christ the Redeemer statue, struck about 6 times a year. Even natural landmarks like the Grand Canyon and open fields can experience repeated strikes. The truth is, lightning doesn't care where it has struck before. So, why do so many people believe that lightning never strikes the same place twice? One reason is that lightning strikes are rare in many areas, so people don't often witness it happening in the same spot. Another reason is survivor bias. If someone survives a lightning strike in one place, they assume it won't happen there again. But the truth is, if a place is struck once, it's likely to be struck again. Believe it or not, humans can also be struck multiple times. The most famous case is Roy Sullivan, a US park ranger who was struck by lightning 7 times between 1942 and 1977. He holds the Guinness World Record for the most lightning strikes survived by a single person. While lightning striking twice isn't a myth, you don't need to panic. If you're caught in a storm, just follow lightning safety rules, avoid open fields and tall trees. Stay indoors or in a car if possible. Never use metal objects like umbrellas or golf clubs. If you feel your hair stand up, take cover immediately. So, let's settle this once and for all, lightning can and does strike the same place more than once. It's not just possible, it's incredibly common in the right conditions. If you love uncovering the truth behind myths, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.